Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken fry using an easy method. First, ensure your chicken pieces are roughly the same size for consistent cooking. Next, marinate the chicken with your favorite spices, letting it sit for at least half an hour to absorb the flavors. Finally, set up your dredging station with seasoned flour and a beaten egg wash, ready for coating. Now let's get to the coating and frying. Take each marinated chicken piece and dip it thoroughly in the egg wash, allowing any excess to drip off. Then, transfer it to the seasoned flour, pressing firmly to ensure a complete and even coating. Fry the chicken in oil heated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit until golden brown and cooked through, about 6 to 8 minutes per side. To achieve that perfect crispy texture, avoid overcrowding your frying pan. Frying in batches helps maintain the oil's temperature, which is crucial for a consistently crispy exterior and thoroughly cooked interior. Once golden brown, remove the chicken and place it on a wire rack set over a paper towel-lined tray. This allows excess oil to drain, keeping your chicken wonderfully crisp. Your delicious, easy chicken fry is now ready to be served. Enjoy it hot with your favorite dipping sauces or a fresh side salad. A sprinkle of fresh parsley or cilantro can add a lovely touch of color and aroma. For more great cooking tips and other deals, including a fantastic offer on the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check out the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.